yang pelumani senap. Yumi, time mi tok baik opposition staff. One plus story meeting him. Ingon om laman, emsta mo de meri blongem. Na tubala rom kolonar plataun. Na mane molim rob blong donkey na kisim donkey kam. Na toke meri blongem. Kala blo donkey mama. Migi simit na mitla kolo next town. Mama kala blo donkey na tubla go. Time tubla kama banta straight long risla town. On man sena blo side kira na lukim na toke me lukim mane. Meri face mane. Em sa bawdan lo meri blongem. Em larem da lukim meri sina na talo donkey. Em should sit down there mane. Awe moto respective isla meri ya. Ay mane olim rob dan Philip Sem now. Time to blow out this place. Em toke mama you come down. Ulmat bagara pimi amigo sirano donkey. Time kalau nem toke mama olim rob na golo next town. Ulman kira no to. Ay lukim ya. Mama ini nggak respect lu sila papa ya. Em atuke mama ya lukim. Em sunare mama kala mantap. Em kira no golo next town em toke mama you kala ponte mi. Mitla ontem kala blood donkey. Time to blow next town. Ulman kira no to lukim. Sore lu sila donkey ya. To blow ontem kini lu sila donkey through. Papa kira no donkey. You go down, me go down. Mitla olim rob tasun no go about. Next town. Time to blow go. Tablolim donkey rota so na larem donkey ka man kiran to look mol wasting misla donkey ya one plus with kalabanta meaning lo disla mo se whether you kalabanta lo donkey or you no kalabanta bo mama kalab or you kalab still on man ba tok yet still on man ba tok yet and nature no man miri whether you kalab mama kalab you don't them kalab endo kalab still igan man lo tok yet so next 14 months Mila making one. Number one, Mila focus lo road. Lay bulo wow highway blame me and still bagarap stop. Even no straight yet. Them economic corridor road blame me. When service in mine area. Service in mine area. And creating job where you be man made in some place walk in some pine area. Walk in some alluvial mine. But still road blame me bagarap. This road in the next 1 or 2 months we must start putting machine and fixing. So that comes an economic corridor blaming it's a long province. Number 2, Tisika must unlock. Coffee stop. Cow stop Lucialum. But no got going because road no got. Last 50 years you mean a building road. Now we must unlock him or place for coming so lay so that don't access him market blaming. Now you make a plant a line you mean no got walk. Anta blo ektok plong kaman blomi lo next 14 months na mi ba need help lo the member staff. I mean la focus on job creation. You can make him school, you can make him classroom. Mi ba ko mo member alo clarity mo project was some school classroom arpla. But work is important. All man must work. Only must get money into the pocket blow. Because time mo ga money lo pocket. Before this lamban no ga yang money sanab now. Before him brown on nothing less yes. But time and walk before months I drink one the man number kirab no dog sorry true tomorrow ba go walk me take him now I'm ready to go walk time you give him job one work long one man you give him power of feeding family long him power long lugar him school fee lo beginning long him power long lugar him mama I'm gonna start time cut income you mean now over something you mean time no making but you mean no creating enough job. When if something come up, I must play YouTube plus start now. Buy me go away. I must play school grade tools. You may come out. Space and leak. All man start yet. You must create them all industry. Industry meaning factory. You make a long plan of big ground is stuff. You must unlock him. Now you must work. Creating 200, 300, 400, close to 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 job. It's a long province now. Time you make him work long on man. My feeling was by unlocking economic potential of one family. This law must come up core, base blue unit. Next 2-3 months, me to was in provincial government me stop. Now he may ask him online no come and say look how you can walk boom on the district LLG. Or president you plus stop by me walk boom, maybe kirabim sla walk. Lay city may me stop. Now I need him close to 100 megawatt power, long stabilizing grid. This la power no one every time a blackout. Factory workman machine bagara or lame of a man because machine bagara. You must now stabilize him grid. Number 2 challenge me. I mean unlocking province. Misena belongs to building where I must be governor before. last 50 years, one investment you may making as a province. Me but challenging me all members now. All presidents now you missed up, all man you missed up. You meet of Morobe and you meet economic powerhouse. Economic powerhouse. Time you will almost be na looking almost be. Morobe no got provincial government on investment into almost be looks in extra money. No what I'm building is not. I need to name the Morobe. You go look at what's the picture is not. Allows is stop. Gulf is stop. Or Narba province you got up to make him extra money. You may know that. No got true. One investment blow you me. Business how much money you may make him. It's like an investment you may know that. So for the last 50 years, you may not making any major investment law securing future blow or something. Now you mean a scholarship program run. Some of the provincial government me talking you mean. All that program the money run or sim the housing the paying school fee. You may MPG, you may rely too much long GST. Suppose all the time put the bagarap. All the time all business house bagarap, Morobe may go down through. Because you may not got extra additional money stuff our side. So you must now make an investment for the next 20 years. Because suppose you may choose, you may spending budget after budget, you may kege, but you may not got investment. Me and me look sa was and time me was a governor, me to thank you long leaders sa bagsay, may support. Now you look in America is stop after 200 and maybe 14 or 15 years of stop was in country. You may now you may 50 per year. Oblamani me gamblo talk na to was you must look sabe one time you born. Me look sabe was me born long time long walk. Time long walk. But orang man la kegea. O man la kegea. You know gini mo lo to con man, kusay man, gaman man. Na time mo la simo like him now it. Na usit pa making work pro planning. Usit pa making work pro investment. Usit pa setting foundation pro Morobe for the next 50 years. So that education, health, you go around and now you make a problem with the power. You make a sterilization, you know that. It's like a real problem. You know, gaman problem, real problem affecting man will die in lang housing. You know that in a drug. So like no place the same time. This like no gaman to talk real issue from Morobe in this land. But ang kamantap, you may talk people through tang power, you may para people through. But instead long ko one and Morobe through. Morobe still unlocked in no stop yet. Now a member of Blongoan Gulf and Kambo Salamoa. No garot yet go. Tomorrow mami go to Fitsabe. No garot yet go. You may still stop unlocked. You may still stop located to the community blaming. So next 14 months of president, you must now invest long future. Invest long future. Suppose you will invest, one of something will come up. You look long yet. Or some leader now, Mr. Bate, for time no parliament. Me looking was suppose you will make him some sample province Babrus in me. All that give chance on me. All Babrus no go because of that investment. Or that building is stuff, or that house is stuff. Government building the paying rent go back loan. You got those services in Chopa is that all on him, provincial government on him, district on him, all on him the money is that. So time all paying school fee, or Rousing the son paying school fee. No, right? Give me provincial government on Morobe, time to pay school fee, somebody come line up. Teacher come line up. Housing man come line up because money and short. Na number of man million close to 1.2 or 1.3 million man million in Morobe now. So what do we do as a province? What do we do as a province? Suppose you not look in physical for the next 50 years, physical must have met now. Suppose you not put the road column Morobe Patropo, Salamoa, and all stop next 50 years. Who said to go simol? This like thinking or sem, one man become making belong me, you must stop, but you make him blow you yet. Can you say pull highway now? Member I stop. Member Blominia I stop. You know what the national government? How much money the province come by my ceiling road, maybe finish him at the long wow. Never blow, wow, where you start. You must be ceiling road until you need making the correct misla. This like thing was him. Someone become na helping me or make it. And none of walk. Never something Bishop be stop. Never something Bishop be stop. Na me to thank you the Bishop become. Time you me now was him or pastor you me stop. You me got people walk. One the president long Africa and give him strong challenge long all pastor. And kiram to all pastor stop lo talking all man neri lo beten. Na ask him God bless me. blessing me. I know to not you blessing me. Me need the money. Not you give me. You ask him to mass. But you know, open your mind and look at Muslim. You got blessing stuff in it. You got ground there. You got handle stuff. You got sweat stuff. You mean open your mind and look at opportunity will start long province finish. Now you must start long walk. Walk agriculture. Minister now or President you plus now. You said come a minister long works. A minister long lands. By getting money, you must register him over the ground long old man Morobe start long here. Start long fisherman finish long wow. All man must own him ground, na registered state list so that over making business now. Lands minister work for you, first work by you. Time you come lands minister, you go look him help him. Okay, the man very low register him ground. Ground logo name logo let. All I develop him more. Kissing bank loan, Morobe must cut bankable land title. So that over making business. I'm number one for ground. Suppose customary ground, chairman, you must look him, come up with some ILG. From ILG, go along state list. Kisim list na give him all man. Now must only Mr. State list na partner want them all. And work blue lens minister. So time me work po sem, buy me free map, planning something in some province. Number of limi now in St. Mipinis, population limi and tribe through. Census it was 960,000, but me feeling was a true number and close to 1.2, 1.3 million. Islam tried the number true. Suppose you mean provincial government, you mean not careful, this number was sinking province. Because this la amas man na you plus enough, na you plug you don't stop nothing. Try to walk you plug making there. Na number bago 8 yet, I'm good. People walk any man making there. So this walk number bago waiting yet. No one of the man background to go honorable Marsh Narawak, sorry. Lo Garana ino put in health center so people papa babla waiting you past them. You building this health center. People give you 1 year, people papa fast. Now after 1 year time, housing is enough, babla give you maybe lo mama na mama go housing. No God. Housing stop or you know stop papa you busy at something here. That is the number. I'm a must play and heavy block government here. I'm a must play and heavy block government. Because the number increase, housing to increase, marathon increase, you must increase him. Number, housing, workman, drug, ambulance, police, because number and forcing government increase in budget plan. So provincial government you must start 1.3 million now. This is the 1.3 million on a break here. Over the man all over a break here. Over the man stop accelerate that so. So suppose it's the 1.3 million, half for this population a man.